Welcome to Vital Aging, your trusted source for thriving in your golden years. Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep your mind sharp, vibrant, and full of life as you age? What if you could unlock the secrets to a healthier brain, one that powers your memories, creativity, and independence well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond? Today, we're diving into the power of brain health, unlocking cognitive vitality in seniors. This isn't just about avoiding forgetfulness. It's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps your mind as strong as ever. So grab a cozy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's explore how you can supercharge your brain health. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip from Vital Aging. What does a healthy brain mean to you? Is it remembering your grandkids' birthdays without a reminder? Solving a crossword puzzle with ease, or feeling confident in your daily decisions? For most of us, a healthy brain is the key to living independently, staying connected, and enjoying life to the fullest. But here's the reality. As we age, our brains face challenges. By age 65, about 1 in 10 people may experience mild cognitive impairment, and the risk of conditions like dementia increases. But here's the good news. Your brain is not set in stone. It's adaptable, resilient, and capable of growth, even in your later years. This is called neuroplasticity. Isn't that incredible? A 2023 study from the National Institute on Aging found that lifestyle changes can slow cognitive decline by up to 40%. So, how can you tap into this power? Let's explore the 6 pillars of brain health that can transform your life. Before we dive into solutions, let's understand what happens to our brains as we age. Have you ever noticed it takes a bit longer to recall a name or find the right word? That's because over time, the brain's neurons, those tiny cells that send signals, can lose some connections. Blood flow to the brain may decrease and inflammation can creep in, especially if stress, poor diet, or lack of activity piles up. But here's a question. Does aging alone cause these changes, or do our choices play a role? Science says it's both. A 2024 study in Nature Aging showed that lifestyle factors like what you eat, how you move, and how you challenge your mind can influence up to 50% of your brain's aging process. That means you have more control than you might think. So what are the key pillars to keep your brain thriving? Let's break them down one by one. 3. Pillar 1. Nutrition for a vibrant brain. Picture your brain as a high-performance engine. What kind of fuel would you give it? Junk food that clogs it up? Or nutrient-rich foods that keep its system it humming? Let's talk about nutrition for your brain. Diets like the Mediterranean and Mind diets are scientifically proven to boost cognitive health. They're packed with colourful vegetables, fatty fish like salmon, nuts, berries, and olive oil. Why do these foods work? Omega-3 fatty acids in fish support neuron repair, while antioxidants in berries fight inflammation. A 2024 study in neurology found that seniors following a Mediterranean diet had a 25% lower risk of cognitive decline. But let's get practical. What's on your plate today? Could you swap out that sugary snack for a handful of blueberries or walnuts? Let's dive deeper. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with vitamin K, folate, and lutein, which support memory function. A 2023 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that daily servings of leafy greens can improve cognitive performance by 20%. Berries, especially blueberries, contain flavonoids that enhance communication between brain cells. Ever tried dark chocolate? In moderation, its flavonols can boost blood flow to the brain. Even whole grains like oats and quinoa provide steady energy, preventing blood sugar spikes that can fog your mind. What about hydration? Your brain is 75% water, and dehydration can impair focus. A 2025 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that seniors drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily performed better on memory tests. And don't forget healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil support brain cell structure. But here's a question. Are you eating enough of these foods? If not, why not start small? Try adding a spinach salad or a handful of almonds to your lunch. Here's a fun challenge. For 1 week, add 1 brain-boosting food to every meal. Maybe it's salmon for dinner, a berry smoothie for breakfast, or a sprinkle of chia seeds on your yogurt. Track how you feel. Does your mind feel sharper? And let's talk variety. Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables ensures you get a range of nutrients. For example, orange foods like carrots and sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene, which protects against oxidative stress. What's one colourful food you could try today? Be mindful of pitfalls. Processed foods high in sugar and trans fats can increase inflammation, harming your brain. A 2024 Journal of Alzheimer's Disease study linked high sugar intake to a 30% increased risk of cognitive impairment. So ask yourself, what's one unhealthy food you could cut back on? Maybe swap soda for herbal tea? Your brain will thank you. Share your favourite brain-healthy recipe in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Pillar 2. Exercise to boost brain power. Now let's get moving. Did you know exercise isn't just for your body, it's a game changer for your brain? Physical activity increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain. It also boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that acts like fertilizer for your neurons, promoting growth and connections. A 2025 meta-analysis in Journal of Aging Research found that seniors exercising 150 minutes a week, even with gentle activities like walking or yoga, improved memory and focus by up to 30%. But what kind of movement do you enjoy? Could you take a 20-minute walk in your neighborhood, noticing the trees or chatting with a friend? Or try chair yoga if mobility is a concern? Let's explore why this works. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking or swimming increase hippocampal volume, the part of your brain responsible for memory. A 2023 neuroimage study showed that seniors who walked regularly had a 15% larger hippocampus after a year. Strength training, like lifting light weights, also helps by improving insulin sensitivity, which supports brain energy use. Even balance exercises like Tai Chi enhance coordination and reduce fall risk, keeping you active and engaged. How can you start? If you're new to exercise, begin with 10-minute sessions. A 2024 Journal of Gerontology study found that even short bursts of activity like stair climbing improve cognitive flexibility. What's stopping you from moving more? Maybe it's time. Could you combine exercise with socializing, like a dance class with friends? Or try a YouTube workout video tailored for seniors. Check out Vital Aging's playlist for ideas. Consistency beats intensity. A daily 15-minute stretch can improve blood flow. And don't forget fun factor activities like gardening or dancing to your favorite music. These release dopamine, boosting mood and motivation. What's one activity you love that gets you moving? Try scheduling it 3 times this week. And here's a tip. Track your steps with a pedometer to stay motivated. A 2025 health psychology study showed that tracking activity increases adherence by 40%. What's one way you could make exercise a joyful part of your day? Share it in the comments. Pillar 3, mental stimulation and lifelong learning. Let's keep that brain buzzing. Think of your brain as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Have you ever tried learning something new, like a language, a musical instrument, or a hobby like painting? Studies show that mentally stimulating activities like puzzles, reading, or chess can delay cognitive decline. A 2023 The Lancet study found that seniors engaging in brain games 3 times a week had 20% sharper memory after 6 months. But it's not just about games. What sparks your curiosity? Learning new skills builds neural pathways. A 2024 brain research study showed that learning a new language, even basic phrases, increases grey matter density. Ever thought about playing an instrument? Playing the piano or guitar can improve executive function, per a 2025 neuropsychology study. Even creative hobbies like knitting or writing stimulate the prefrontal cortex, enhancing problem solving. What's holding you back? Time? Confidence? Start small. Try a crossword puzzle or a free app like Lumosity. A 2023 Journal of Cognitive Enhancement study found that 15 minutes of daily brain training improved attention span by 25%. Or join a book club. Reading and discussing books builds social and cognitive skills. What book have you been meaning to read? Could you discuss it with a friend? Lifelong learning keeps your brain young. Take an online course. Coursera.org offers free classes on everything from history to coding. A 2024 educational gerontology study showed that seniors taking courses reported 30% better mental clarity. Or try memory techniques like mnemonic devices to boost recall. What's one new skill you've always wanted to try? Challenge yourself to learn 5 new words this week. Share your progress in the comments. Let's learn together. Pillar 4. Sleep, the brain's reset button. Let's talk about something we all love, sleep. Did you know your brain does critical work while you dream? During sleep, it clears toxins, consolidates memories, and repairs neurons. Poor sleep, however, increases cognitive decline risk. A 2024 sleep medicine study found that seniors getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly scored 25% higher on cognitive tests. So, what's your sleep routine like? Do screens keep you up, or do you have a relaxing bedtime ritual? Why is sleep so vital? During deep sleep, the glymphatic system flushes out beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's. A 2025 Journal of Neuroscience study showed that consistent sleep schedules improve memory consolidation by 20%. REM sleep, where dreaming happens, boosts creativity and problem solving. Ever woken up with a solution to a problem? That's your brain at work. How can you improve sleep? Avoid caffeine after noon. A 2023 sleep research study found it disrupts sleep architecture. Create a dark, cool bedroom. 65 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal per the National Sleep Foundation. Try a wind-down routine. Read a book, sip chamomile tea, or practice deep breathing. A 2024 Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine study showed that 10 minutes of meditation before bed reduces insomnia by 30%. What's one sleep habit you could improve? Maybe limit screen time an hour before bed. Share your best sleep tip in the comments. Pillar 5. Social connection and emotional well-being. When was the last time you laughed with a friend or had a heartfelt conversation? Social connection is a brain booster. Loneliness increases dementia risk by 50% per a 2023 Journal of Gerontology study. But meaningful relationships lift mood and cognition. A 2024 Social Science and Medicine study found that seniors with strong social networks had 20% better cognitive function. So, who's in your circle? Could you call a loved one today? Socializing stimulates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and oxytocin. Group activities like volunteering or joining a choir build cognitive reserve. A 2025 Psychology and Aging study showed that weekly social activities improve memory recall by 15%. Even small interactions like chatting with a neighbor help. What's one way you stay connected? If you feel isolated, start small. Join a local senior center or a hobby group. Online communities count too. Try a Facebook group for seniors. A 2023 Journal of Social Psychology study found that virtual connections reduce loneliness by 25%. Emotional well-being matters too. Smiling, even when forced, boosts serotonin per a 2024 emotion study. What's one social activity you could try this week? Share it in the comments. Pillar 6. Stress management for a calmer mind. Let's talk stress. Chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, damaging neurons. A 2025 Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience study found that high stress levels increase cognitive decline risk by 30%. But calming practices like mindfulness or deep breathing protect your brain. A 2024 Journal of Behavioral Medicine study showed that 10 minutes of daily mindfulness improved attention by 20%. What calms you down? Music, gardening. Mindfulness meditation reduces amygdala activity, the brain's stress center. A 2023 mindfulness study found that seniors meditating daily reported 25% less anxiety. Deep breathing, slow inhales for 4 seconds, exhales for 6, lowers cortisol levels per a 2024 stress study. Yoga combines movement and mindfulness. A 2025 Journal of Yoga study showed it improves cognitive flexibility by 15%. Try this. Take 5 slow breaths now. Feel the difference? Other stress busters include journaling, which clarifies thoughts, or spending time in nature. A 2023 Nature study found that 20 minutes outdoors reduces stress by 20%. What's your go-to stress relief method? Could you try a new one, like a guided meditation on YouTube? Share your favorite in the comments. You've got the 6 pillars: nutrition, exercise, mental stimulation, sleep, social connection, and stress management. How do you make them work for you? Start small. This week, try a berry smoothie, a 10-minute walk, a puzzle, a better sleep routine, a call to a friend, and a deep breathing session. A 2025 Journal of Aging and Health study showed that Combining these habits improves cognition by 35%. What's one step you're excited to take? Imagine a year from now, you're sharper, more energized, and proud of your habits. Small changes compound. What's your vision for a healthier brain? Share it in the comments to inspire others. Let's bust some myths. Memory loss is just part of aging? Not entirely. Significant decline isn't inevitable. Lifestyle matters. Brain games prevent dementia? They help, but a holistic approach is key. A 2024 Alzheimer's and dementia study showed that combining all 6 pillars reduces dementia risk by 40%. Concerned about memory? See a doctor if you forget familiar names or get lost in familiar places. Early action is crucial. What's one brain health question you have? Meet Joan, a 78-year-old from California. 5 years ago, her memory was slipping. She started walking daily, joined a book club, and ate a Mediterranean diet. Today, she leads trivia night at her senior centre, feeling sharper than ever. A 2023 Journal of Positive Psychology study supports this. Lifestyle changes boost cognitive resilience by 30%. What's your brain health goal? How will you start? So, Vital Aging community, what's your next move? Pick one pillar and start today. Share your plan in the comments. We'd love to hear it. If this video helped, like it, share it, and subscribe to Vital Aging Hub for more tips on aging vibrantly. Try one brain-boosting habit this week and tell us how it goes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay vital, stay curious, and keep your brain shining bright.